Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marquita, but most call me Kita. You can call me whichever you want. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you would like to see me achieve these extended two-strand twists, then keep on watching. Okay, so now I am blowing her hair out. I have to make sure her hair is dry, like really on the dry side, because the product that I use don't mix well with water or oil. So I'm gonna make sure her hair is really dry, and then I'm gonna get into this retwist. Now it's time to clean her parts up and do her retwist. So me, y'all, I'm a neat freak, so I spend most of my time like making sure my parts are perfect. I have locks myself, and I like my hair nappy, and you know, the girls that's got the locks know what I mean when I say this. I like my locks nappy majority of the time, but when I get a retwist, baby, I want my locks, I want them neat. And then after a week or so, y'all, I want to go back to it being nappy. But anyway, so I like to retwist locksmith style. I also crochet and I palm roll. It really just depends on if it's the client's preference. But here you'll see me locksmithing her hair and doing her retwist. So locksmithing is my favorite out of all the different techniques that I named. In the comments, y'all let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch your girl work. Now let's get into this two-strand twist. So the hair that I'm using is Cuban twist hair. I like to stretch it out and kind of detangle it at the ends, because I like my ends to kind of be like on the skinnier side versus like how the lock is, the two-strand twist is going all the way down. So what I like to do is take the hair, I wrap it around the lock on the right side, and I kind of wrap that kind of like around to the right. And then the lock on the left side, I kind of like wrap it down, I guess you would say, to the left. And then I kind of twist them and then go over, like my right hand go over my left hand. And it's tight as I go. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here. I also like to, you know, as I'm twisting, the hair is kind of dry, so I like to make sure that I have product on the hair as well. As I'm twisting down, as you can hear. she wanted the lock knots on the end, so that's what you see me doing here. And how I achieve these lock knots is I like to take the hair, I bring it down, and I like fold it and I wrap it backwards all the way until the hair is done wrapping. And then I just take a rubber band and make sure it's tight on the ends, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all also go follow me on Locsbykeyta on TikTok.